Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF to a XPS format using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this convert option already selected, and here you will find this to MS Office option. Now click on this down arrow and here you will find this XPS option and select, and this is setting option. Here you can see the XPS format. I'll make it default format and select your destination folder and save as it. Now select save, converting it. Now you can open it or select this file. This is XPS format. This is XPS format now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.